Same product, different batches. First batch looks fine. Second is darker. Third is lighter. ZHYAO provides color consistency coating turnkey solutions for the hardware industry. The root cause of color variation lies in fluctuating spraying parameters and uneven curing temperatures. The complete line delivers precision control at 3 levels. Parameter locking. PLC-programmed spraying locks voltage, current, powder output, and line speed. Operators cannot make unauthorized adjustments. Different products are assigned different parameter sets, recalled with one touch. Curing temperature control. Intelligent temperature control system maintains oven temperature deviation within plus or minus 5°C. Multi-zone independent temperature control ensures consistent heating across all workpiece areas, eliminating batch color variation caused by uneven oven temperature distribution. Color change and cleaning. After each color change, the system automatically executes cleaning procedures for guns, powder pipes, and recovery systems with a cleaning confirmation checklist. Over 60% of batch color difference issues are directly linked to inadequate equipment cleaning. ZHYAO, making every batch look like the first.
ZHYAO, together we color the world.